In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo password. Let's get started by opening Yahoo Mail and making sure you're signed in. From your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. It may be a small photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open the profile menu, then choose the option that lets you manage your account. This link sometimes appears as Account Info or Manage Your Account, and it takes you to the page where all your account settings live. Once you're in the account management area, scroll through the options until you find the section for your password. You're looking for the link or button labeled Change Password. Depending on your layout, it might appear under Account Security or similar wording. If Yahoo asks you to confirm that it's really you before continuing, just follow the on-screen prompts. This is normal and helps protect your account. After you select Change Password, a window will pop up where you can create a new one. This is the most important part, so take a moment to make a strong, memorable password. Aim for a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details that are easy to guess, like birthdays or pet names. A good tip is to use a short passphrase with a mix of characters, something you can remember but others wouldn't easily predict. If there's a show option, you can toggle it briefly to double check you've typed everything correctly, especially if you're on a trusted device. If you use a password manager, generate a unique password and save it there so you won't lose it. When you're satisfied, confirm and save your new password. Yahoo will process the change and display a confirmation. In many cases, Yahoo may sign you out on some devices for security. That's normal and helps ensure only you can access your mailbox. The next time you open Yahoo Mail on your phone, tablet, or another browser, just sign back in with the new password. It's also a good idea to update the saved password in your browser or password manager right away so autofill keeps working smoothly. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail password is updated. Remember to keep your password unique to Yahoo and avoid reusing it across other services. If you ever suspect someone else knows it, repeat these steps and change it again immediately. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to replay any part while you go through the process yourself.